You
it.
guessed it.
We're
We're
gonna
gonna react to his
shoots
shoots again.
You wanna hear it?
You wanna hear it? You wanna hear it?
We're reacting
We're
to
reacting to
the
the fan
XX
anime
of
of
XX
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 anime of XX anime of one XX anime 105. And yes, I'm Cupid 742. You guessed it. Excuse me. Where do we stop?
I think we
I think we
stopped
stopped
here.
here. No. But I will only react because
I need
I need
videos.
videos. No. Okay, but these boodles have the shittiest quality, okay? Okay, since you're anime fan, now you're a football fan. Choose a personality and live with it. Okay. No, we're not being civil.
About this. Let's make a deal. You surrender and you don't die. How does that sound?
And how do you intend to kill us?
Oh no, I can't kill you, but my buddy can. Say hi, buddy.
Yo, we guys don't even know the real lore of the Jujutsu Kaisen. Shut the fuck up. Nah. He's tripping. He don't really want to know about. I don't know what he's shooting about.
I just want money to come. Teenage give away, but I ain't never been with a body. She can't swallow it to the time. Madison bottom cool and bloody.
I kind of feel bad he has to go up with your shitty edits. Not even your edits, templates.
I just want.
Look at that. Guys, I swear. Shut up.
Show us your phone. First, lock screen. Now home screen. Lock.
You have this?
Photo in your camera roll.
Stop the cap.
Show us.
It's okay.
Oh,